Hi guys, I'm American Girl and I'm going to show you what you would need for your doll's class. A glue stick, dry possibly, this one's dried out. Books, keep them busy. You can make flashcards, this is from glue stick cardboard thing. A sticker puzzle. These mini post-its. These go fish. Get it? Fish. This sharpener from school. This paintbrush. And then there are mini highlighters in here, but I really can't get them. They're kind of stuck. I'll try to show you it this way. I'm using this as a book bag. There's glitter, paint, highlights, mini stuff, you know. And you can close up the book bag and it fits good. And then it can be like a lunchbox for your dolls, and you can like take the stuff off. Or it could just be regular. And then you can put like decorations on the sides. So yeah. And then you can like customize it, put scissors, tape, everything that you want. So thanks for watching. Bye!